Measuring up to a Viking father isn't easy. Especially when that Viking father is also the chief of your village. So when you get a chance to prove yourself, you jump on it.
Shoulders back, chin up, son. This portrait's gonna hang in this hole forever.
No good, no good, no good. I can't do this!
Oh.
Okay, I'm good.
I have never seen Bucket like this.
Well, when he lost half his brain, he suddenly became an artist.
So he can actually paint.
Oh, he's the best. He's gonna do us proud, son. This portrait's gonna take its place alongside all the other chiefs and their sons. That is the only picture of my father and me. It was a great day. And so is this. Chest out, son.
Yeah, this is as out as it goes, Dad.
Ah, very well then.
Look at all these great leaders. And tomorrow, your picture is gonna be hanging right next to them.
There goes the neighborhood.
You are part of an elite group now, my friend. And one of the few who wasn't killed by their successor.
So far. I guess it is a pretty big deal. I mean, it's like being a part of history, right?
History of goofballs. What a clown.
That is Hamish the First. He was our richest and most revered leader, and his son Hamish the Second.
I'm Hamish the First. Bow down before me and kiss my pointy shoes.
Well, look what you did to the Hamishes! Forgive us, please.
What's that? It's probably mine.
Looks like some sort of map with poetry.
I'll take that.
Hey, that's my poetry map.
All of these were supposed to be destroyed.
Why? What's so special about it?
Men lost their limbs, their lives, and their minds trying to find that treasure.
I've heard about this. The treasure of Hamish the First. His son buried him with it and left this map. They say the clues are so complicated that only a brilliant mind could decipher them.
Stoic and I even went after this treasure. It lured us high up into the mountains in a blinding snowstorm. We fought like badgers over the meaning of the clues. We were lucky to make it back with our lives, and our friendship intact. For your own good, kids, forget you ever saw this.
Here it comes, son. This is our legacy.